Hello everybody, welcome to Animals Got Talent. I'm your host. Well, I'm your judge today. There's only one judge because this is the hardcore mode. And my name is Mr. Timber. As you can see, it's on my thing, Timber. So, let's get started. First component. Hello, can I please know your name and what you like to what you're going to be doing for us today? Well, my name is Miss Gemma and I'm going to be singing. Okay, go ahead. Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. Drunk too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, I told your friends it was nice to meet them. Well, I hope I never see them again. Come to the city in a broke down car and 4 years, no walls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover. And I know you can't afford like that tattoo on your shoulder. For the sheets I left the corner of the mattress that you stole from your name back in order. We ain't ever getting older. Da 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 da. We ain't ever getting older. Hey, play that Blink-182 song. Why we beat to death in two songs? Okay, that's all. You get a yes from me. You may move on to the next stage. And I like how you do that vibrant voice. Try to make your voice kind of sound like a boy, kind of dark. And when it was a girl, it sounded high. Good job. High five. You get to go to the next stage. Yay! Next. Hello, Miss. What is your name and what are you going to be doing for us today? My name is Miss Sparkles, and I am going to be dancing. Okay, to any song? Yes, I'm going to be dancing to a song. Okay, hit it, DJ. Da 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 da. Everybody stomp your toes. Have a great party. Let's get started. Everybody, let's get started. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. A beep. I don't really like how the song goes. Did you sing that song? Yes. Are you okay? Yes. And I don't like how you dance it. Dun 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 like that. So that is officially a no. Oh, it's okay. Next. Hello. Hello. Who are you? No. I am Miss Cupcake, and I'm going to be performing an act with my best friend, Gemma. Wait, she's a part of your squad too? Yeah, Gemma. We are going to be performing the friendship dance. So, my name is Miss Ava. Yes, my name is Miss Ava, and her name is Miss Gemma. Oh, okay. Let's get started. Dun, 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 dun. Everybody, I know you're inside. You can show. Friendship's all about we join and have a great party, and the friendship magic is inside of your heart. So stand up, dig down. If you're gonna come around, we can work together, helping Twilight sparkle win the crown. So get up, get down. If you're gonna come around, we can work together, helping Twilight sparkle win the crown. I'm gonna be myself, no matter who I am. And if you always believe in it, we're gonna work together, getting on our pride, and start working on the school pride. So get up, get down. If you're gonna come around, we can work together, helping Twilight sparkle win the crown. So get up, get down. If you're gonna come around, we can work together, helping Twilight sparkle win the crown. That was a very nice dance. You get a yes from me. Yay! Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of Animals Got Talent. Subscribe, comment, like, stay Pigglicious, Courtney.